Hey everyone, Marshall here. Hope you are having a good day. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful slideshow into the Wix Studio. In the last tutorial, we talked about how to create this header. So if you want to watch that, you can do that as well. I will drop the link to the video in the description. So this was the header we designed in the last tutorial. We created all the product category here, main menu here, logo here, email and other information here, the cart here, and the login sign up bar here. So yeah, in this tutorial, we're going to create a slideshow. So go here, add section, and we're going to choose this, the 3-cell collage. Okay, and this is going to load 3 cells here. Let's resize them. Something like this. The next thing we're going to do is add some margin into this cell to give room to this element. So go here, choose the cell first, and here let's add some room on top. 2% will be good. Here I believe 5% will be good. On the right side, 1%, because we're going to add 1% in these cells as well, and in the bottom again 2. Okay, so this is to give some room to our cell here, our slideshow. Okay, so this is the cell we're going to use. The next thing we're going to do is go to add elements, layout tools, slideshow repeaters. Okay, this is where you're going to find your slideshows. So here it is. This is the slideshow we're going to use. You can choose any of these depending on what do you want to show in your website. I'm going to go with this one for now. All right, so this is the slideshow. Easy as that. Scale it to the size, and there you go. All right, now this is the slideshow. We have already added it in the website. The next thing I'm going to do is edit this slideshow. So go to your layers, and here are all the slideshow. So let's choose this image first. So let's talk about images for a moment. You know, what kind of images you should use and how you should process it. So I use Canva to design all my images. Okay, it's a really cool graphic design platform. It's very easy to use. Anyone can use it at any time, right? So the first thing you should do here is go to your section here and find out the width and the height of your element. So it is 744 by 462 pixel. Okay, so that's the size we're going to use for our element. So go here, create a design, custom size. So it was 744 and it was 462. Right, click on create new design. All right, now I'm going to go to elements and let's add a Black Friday image here. I have the image. Okay, now download it from here and increase the size. So it's not going to change the the resolution, sorry, the proportion of the width and the height, but it will increase the quality of the image. So take it around here and download it. All right, so after that, and this is a really important step, you have to go to cloudconvert.com, which is a website to convert files. And what we're going to do here is we will change the format of our image. So right now it is either in JPG or PNG, whatever you are using. And we are going to change it into .webp. Okay, so go to image and select WEBP. And this is the standard file format for website images. And the reason for that is because these websites are high in quality and low in size. Okay, so they won't lose that much quality. So this is the image we have. It is 825 kilobytes, and when we convert it to .webp, it is 19.7 kilobytes only. So why we are going through all this hassle? The reason is we want to save space, the size of the page. Okay, we want to decrease the website loading time, and for that we need images that are high in quality and low in size, and that is why we have converted our image into WEBP format. And for now on, make it your habit. By default, Wix does change the format, but why take the risk? Let's change it ourselves. All right, so once you do that, load the image here, change your text. I'm gonna change the color here to white. Another crucial information here is do not use more than 2 or 3 fonts in your website, because loading fonts will also take time. So it's going to increase your website loading time, and that hurts the SEO. In here, text, the text color white. The button color, let's go with the blue for now. Okay, so this is just to show you how to work around with this. You can choose your own color palettes and all. So yeah, this is the first slide. Now let's go to the next slide. And create one more image. So I'm going to delete this here and load this here, set images background, and download. Again, convert this to WEBP. And as you can see, we now have the file size from 209 to just 9.4. So it saves a lot of time in loading speed, and it's going to be rewarding for your website's SEO. So change the image here, upload your media, upload from computer, and 10 kilobytes. Okay, so another thing you should always do whenever you load an image, go to settings and fill in this text here. Okay, this is the alternative text, and it tells search engines what this image is all about. And not only that, whenever for some reason if your image doesn't load, let's say someone's internet is very slow or gets disrupted or some technical issue, instead of image, that alternative text will be shown in the web page. So for example, this is a Black Friday deal, so just write it, Black Friday deal 2023. Okay, so whatever image you have at any place in your website, make sure to add the alternative text of that image. All right, so this is the second image. Let's go to the third item, and let's select another image here. Okay, this one looks good. Download, go to cloudconvert.com, add your images. and convert. So we have gone from 216 kilobytes to 12.2 kilobytes. So as you can see, we are saving a lot of space of our web page, and people will get smooth experience of your website. Change image here, upload media, upload from computer, and there you go. Also, when you create these images, make sure to rename them as well. It's a good habit. I'm not doing it because I'm creating this tutorial here, and I don't want to waste time in renaming, but make sure that whenever you create the image, rename them according to their attributes. It's going to save you time, and in the future it will be also easy to find the images. All right. So these are the slideshows. Let's publish it and see what it looks like on the live website. Okay, so as you can see, we now have a slideshow here. And as you can also see, this looks better. Everything is in alignment, and this element has its own room to breathe. Now we will also add two more images here with its own padding and margin, so it will look much better. So yeah, we will do that in the next video. We will add more elements in here. So yeah, this is how you add the slideshow into Wix using the Wix Studio. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.